Hello lovelies. So this is we not only do our main shop, we also do a top-up shop, and the top-up shop we usually do either if we are getting from like another supermarket because we've run out, they didn't give us the substitutes we want, or they didn't have the stuff at our main shop, or we go to our Middle Eastern or Mediterranean shops to buy our products so you can't find a supermarket. So here we got these lovely large persimmons. You can get persimmons from the supermarket, but these are really special. They're very ripe. 3 for £1.20 or 49p each, and this one's so overripe it burst as we were coming home in the bag. I want to eat that now. And then we've got here ripe tomatoes. Now when I was talking yesterday on the Waitrose shop, this is on the vine. These are what I call real tomatoes, nice and plump and ripe. Very good price. Can't remember how much it was, but we've got a lot of this for the tabbouleh. We're going to make tabbouleh tomorrow. I'll put the link below again for the tabbouleh, how to make that. We're doing that for Sunday's lunch. There's the tabbouleh main ingredient, parsley. So we've got 4 bunches of parsley. The parsley here is because it's in the winter time, and you usually get them from Turkey or from Cyprus or Greece. They're quite long, so sort of the ends of the bushes. So we've got 4 of those. There's going to be 7 of us in total, but 6 of us we're going to be eating the tabbouleh, and so you need 4 little bunches. And we've got fresh mint I got from the Middle East. So where I got all this stuff is from the Middle East food market, and it's based near Ealing Common tube stations, between Acton High Street and Ealing Common on Uxbridge Road. I'll put the link below of where the shop is, and also at the end of the video you'll see a lot of their products, their shop range and things. So I'll put the details below. It's a very good shop. It's one of my favorite Middle Eastern shops to go to. So I've got here mulakhiyi from their frozen range, Montana. This is a very good brand. Well, here we do a stew out of this, a Lebanese Middle Eastern stew. So you see it in Egypt, in the Middle East, Turkey, here across everywhere in the Middle East, and even North Africa. You serve it with chicken or rabbit or meat, and you have it with rice and bread and a stew. It's very, very nice. Got a pomegranate. Look at that pomegranate. It's huge. Look at that compared to tomato. It's huge. They had crates of it. Absolutely yummy, yummy, so juicy. We're going to de-seed that and put it in a Tupperware, and that will last 3 weeks in the fridge. Very, very nice. And it's cheaper doing it yourself. And I can show you even a video how we de-seed that and clean it with water and things like that. Very good. And then we've got here, my mum wanted chicken livers for tonight. I said, okay, then you want to get chicken livers, and this one's $3.99 per kilo. We've already got 200 grams, £1.08 just for herself. Very good. They're cleaned well, very nice. They've got a nice meat counter at Middle East food market. And we've got chicken here. The chicken is they have different kinds of chickens marinated, and this one is with vegetables and on the shawarma sort of spice trail. And that is $6.99 per kilo, but we got it for $3.77 because we only just wanted half a kilo, a little bit, just for myself and my sister. And we're going to bake those in the oven. So they have 3 or 4, 5 styles of chicken marinated. So you go there, get it, put it in the oven. Brilliant. Then we've got here lettuce. We've got some more lettuce. We got lettuce from Waitrose yesterday, but we wanted more lettuce because this one, to eat it with a tabbouleh. Or if we've got any extra lettuce, we will make it into lettuce salad with garlic, lemon juice and olive oil. I will put the link down below for this as well, how we do ours. Check out how cute is this garlic basket. There's a garlic basket, and these are garlics that each one a clove of garlic. So it's so cute. I could roast these or you could put them in salad, but they're so cute. They're organic. You can buy these from Middle East food market. Really, really nice, so cute. I said I've got to have this. Can't remember how much it was. I'll put it there how much it was. We like this brand of nuts. It's called Krikita, and they've got different strengths. So they've got gold, silver, bronze. So we like the silver one because it's got a good range of mixed nuts in there, and very yummy, very addictive. Good to watch TV and nibble on those nuts. I got 2 jars of chickpeas. These I said before in another video, these are very good if you want to do hummus. It's as if you've soaked them overnight and want to make fresh hummus. So you can use cans. There's some good cans out there, branded cans. Organic ones are very good. You can make good hummus out of this, or we just go for the jars. We've washed them and used them. My mum loves these breadsticks. These are called gak in Lebanese, in Arabic. She loves breadsticks, and yes, she absolutely enjoys these. She likes them with tea. So we've got 2 of those because she has them after her dialysis for something to drink. And we got white cabbage because my sister wanted white cabbage with her tabbouleh. So you can, when you use half of that, make one side for a salad and the other half just eat with the tabbouleh, like lettuce, treat it like bread, eat that with tabbouleh. And we got vermicelli, crushed vermicelli. This is a nice pasta brand, very good Italian brand. So this is pre-crushed for us, so it's good for us to put in the soups, or we do vermicelli Lebanese rice. So it's very, very nice. We enjoy that one. Yes, and so the bill came to, we just can zoom in, $34.96 for all this. And also, I'm just being pointed out to remind, this is the address. That's their receipt. So Middle East Foods Market, that's their address, and that's their telephone number. So yes, it's a good store. I love this store. It's a family-run business as well, and I love their produce. Absolutely love their produce. A lot of Lebanese products. They also do deliveries as well. I think it's over £75 for a delivery, but check with them, ring them up. They're very good, give you a personal service. Definitely recommend them. I'm not advertising them, I'm just saying this is where I go locally to them. I'm very lucky to have them. So hope you enjoyed that, folks. Bye.